Here's today's math tip. Find out how to multiply any two digits together within seconds. First, you're going to multiply the digits in the ones column. If the digit is greater than 9, you're going to carry the other digit to the tens column. Next, we're going to cross multiply the digits, that's the numerator and denominator. Then we're going to add the digits together, plus any digit that you previously carried to the tens column. We'll add that in as well. Next, we're going to write down the digit in the ones column. If applicable, you're going to carry the other digits to the tens column. Next, we're going to multiply the digits in the tens column and add in any digit that you previously carried to the tens column to your total. Let's get started. Example 1. We have 94 times 26. We take 6 times 4, which is equal to 24. This is A, what we mentioned earlier. Now, B, we're going to cross multiply the digits of 9 times 6 and 2 times 4. Then we're going to add in that 2 that we previously carried when we multiply 6 times 4. So when we cross multiply, we have 9 times 6, which is 54, 2 times 4, which is equal to 8, plus that 2 we previously carried. Our total is 64. Let's set that aside. Now, the last step says multiply the digits in the tens columns. So we have 9 times 2, which is 18, plus we need to add in any number that we previously carried to the tens columns. And remember, we carried that 6 from 64 to that tens column, so let's add that in. So we have 18 plus 6, which is equal to 24. Now, let's combine all the digits that we have in the ones column. We just multiplied 9 times 2 plus that 6 gave us 24. Let's push that furthest to the left, so we have 24. Now let's bring down the other digits that we have in the ones column. We have a 4, and then we have another 4. So our final answer is going to be 2,444. Let's do another example. Example 2. We're going to multiply 86 times 32. Here are the rules again. First, let's multiply the digits in the ones columns. We have 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Let's write down that 2. Let's go and carry that 1 to the tens column. Next, we're going to cross multiply the other digits. So we have 8 times that 2, which is equal to 16. Then we have 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. Plus, we're going to add in that 1 that we previously carried when we multiplied 6 times 2 to that tens column. So we have 18 plus 16 plus 1. Our total is going to be 35. So we're going to write down the 5. We're going to carry that 3 to the tens column. So our final step says multiply the numbers in the tens column. In the tens column we have 8 and 3. So let's multiply 8 times 3. We get 24 plus that 3 that we previously carried to the tens column. Our total is going to be 24 plus 3, which is equal to 27. Now let's combine the digits together. We have our 27. We're going to move this further to the left. We also going to bring down our 5. Now finally, let's bring down that 2 that we had in the ones column that we obtained when we multiplied 6 times 2. Final answer, 2,752. Here's our third example. We have 54 times 64. First, we're going to multiply 4 times 4. We get 16. Next, we're going to cross multiply our digits. So we have 5 times 4, which is equal to 20, plus 6 times 4, which is equal to 24. Plus, we're going to add in that 1 that we previously carried when we multiplied 4 times 4. So our total is going to be 20 plus 24 plus 1 equals 45. So we'll write down the 5 here. Next, we have the next rule says multiply the digits in the tens column. In the tens column we have 5 and 6. So we're going to multiply 5 times 6, which is equal to 30. Plus we're going to add in that 4 that we carried previously to obtain 45. Our total is going to be 34. Now let's combine all our digits together. So further to the left, we're going to bring down 34. Next, we'll bring down the 5 that we obtained. And finally, the 6. Final answer, 3,456. Example 4. We're going to multiply 78 times 45. Let's multiply the digits in the ones column. So we have 8 times 5, which is equal to 40. Next, we're going to cross multiply. We have 7 times 5 plus 4 times 8. So we have 35 plus 32 plus the 4 that we previously carried when we multiplied 8 times 5. Let's combine the numbers together. Have 35 plus 32 plus 4 equals 71. Okay, final step. We have 7 times 4. These are the numbers we're multiplying in the tens column. 7 times 4 is 28, plus that 7 that we previously carried when we obtained 71. So we have 7 times 4, which is 28, plus 7, total is 35. So let's move the 35 furthest over to the left. Let's bring down the 1 that we have in the ones column. Let's bring down that 0 that we had in this ones column. Final answer, 3,510.